Welcome to Access to Gov, the point of sale solution for all your business needs. Access to Gov, also known as A to G, can process sales both in person and online. It can handle both partial refunds and full reversals. It is capable of creating orders which can be paid either in person or online. It can reconcile your tills. It can provide ad hoc and template reporting. It is also possible to integrate with a third-party application where a payment may need to be taken. There are three modules for A to G: the Cashier client for processing daily transactions, the Admin client for administrative tasks typically limited to only those who require it for the job function, such as inventory reconciliation, item setup, and in some cases, management high-level reporting. And Web Admin, an online reporting tool to access ad hoc and template reports and for quick, easy transaction searches. A to G has two types of items. They can be physical items, which can be monitored and audited using inventory movement, received and sales reports, and physical counts. You can also set up a service item, which doesn't require receiving in or counting. They can be reported on, though, through the sales reports. You can search for an item using the search bar up top, or you can use the menus for sales item search. You can filter those by vendor, department, or classes. You can also search in quick codes. Quick codes are used when you wish to make sales on an item frequently used for special quantities, special dollar values, and combination of items. Quick codes are linked directly to the items being sold to allow inventory sales and returns to be recognized seamlessly. An example of a combined item would be coffee. If you notice, this coffee quick code has the coffee itself and then the hot cups, because you need to inventory both those items every time a sale is made. An example of specific quantities and special dollar value amounts is this glass of wine. A 9-ounce glass of wine costs $1.18 per ounce, whereas a 5-ounce glass of wine costs $1.68 per ounce. To make it easier, we set up two quick codes so that you can identify the different dollar values for each of those types of glasses. A to G allows you the freedom to classify, filter, and group items in any way that suits your business, making it easy to search for items using a few different categories: departments, classes, and vendors. Departments for different sections or groups within your organization. However, it's not limited to your organizational setup. You can make it whatever you want it to mean. Class for similar items, for example, hot foods, or how often an inventory count is done. You may have another use for classifying the items. It is completely up to your organization. Vendors can be useful. If you have physical items, you may want to class them under the vendor to make it easy to pull items supplied for entering received inventory. Again, it's up to you how you would like to use this filtering group. You can attach pertinent information about a specific item using a workflow. It can be a customer name if a return response is required, a pass number that needs to be tracked in the event it gets lost and needs replacing, a voucher used that may require auditing, and third-party application reference numbers to link payments to work performed in other applications. You can define any number of fields in a workflow. You can add validations and drop-downs to your workflows to minimize data entry errors.